Today we are here with another lecture of English. We will learn what object is. The definition of object is a person or thing which receives an action done by the subject. A person or thing to which a specified action or feeling is directed. We talked about three things: receiving action, specified action, or feeling. These are the things which are directed towards someone or something. And the receiver of that action or feeling is called object. Here in this sentence, he helps his brother. He is a doer of an action. He is doing something. So this is a subject. And his action has been directed towards his brother. His brother is receiving his action, and what that action is? Helps. His brother is receiving help from him. So his brother is an object. Shahir is teaching his brother. Shahir is doing something, and who is receiving? His brother. His brother is a recipient of a specified action, and that specified action is teaching. So receiver of some action or feeling is called object. In both of these sentences, his brother, these are the recipient of the action. So his brother is object in both sentences. She has finished her homework. She has finished. What is the object in this? This is a specified action which is done by her, and she has finished it. Talking about homework. This is the object. Receiver of an action or specified action has been directed to finish the homework. They played a cricket match. They did some action. What that action is? Cricket match. So match or the cricket match is the object in this sentence. Abdullah had been looking after his mother. Abdullah is doing an action. What are the action is? Looking after. Whom he is looking after? His mother. His mother is a recipient of a specified action and feeling of Abdullah. Robot is serving the guests at the restaurant. Robot is doing something, and who are receiving that something, some action? These guests. These guests are the recipients. So recipient of an action or feeling are called object. Doer of an action is called subject, but recipient who is receiving the action or result of an action or some specified feeling. Feelings, you direct that feelings towards something or someone, and who is receiving that action and feeling is called object. Now, more sentences. He rang the bell. He did an act, and that some act was directed towards a bell. Bell is the object. Horse kicked a naughty boy. Horse did an action. Who received that action? This naughty boy. The naughty boy is an object in this sentence. He bought a pizza. He did some act. And what that act is? A pizza. Buying a pizza. This pizza or pizza is an object in this sentence. Lisa got a new storybook. Lisa got something. Lisa got something, and that something is a storybook. Storybook is an object in this sentence. Aisha watched a children movie. Aisha did something. She watched. What did she watch? A movie. So, object of her action is a movie. Teacher is asking a question to her student. Home teacher is asking someone. Who is receiving the recipient of action? Whom something is directed? These are the students. So students are receiving an action of a teacher. Here students are object of the sentence. The doer of an action is called subject and receiver of an action is called object. Thank you very much for watching. We will be here with another lecture. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and Facebook page.